Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making grilled chicken wings recipe. I have here some chicken wings and I'll start by cutting these chicken wings into smaller pieces and then wash them thoroughly. We continue from there. I have them all here cut into smaller sizes and washed thoroughly. So the next thing now is to spice the chicken. For the spices I'm using, I have here some bay leaves, thyme and rosemary. I'm going to blend them together. After blending it together, this is what we have. I've also blended one small onion bulb, one small bell pepper and one habanero pepper. And I also have here half a teaspoon of garlic powder, some chicken seasoning, curry powder, garlic powder and some salt. And 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I'll go ahead and add all the spices and mix everything together, including the oil. After mixing thoroughly, I'll cover the bowl and allow it to marinate in the fridge for about 1 hour. You can do less if you don't have the time. After about 1 hour in the fridge, this is what we have. It has marinated enough. I'll now spread them on the oven rack for grilling. And here we have our grilled chicken wings. I grilled this for about 80 minutes, 40 minutes on each side. I turned it over after 40 minutes. Grill yours until it is well cooked. You can see this is well cooked and at the same time soft, crunchy on the outside, soft in the inside. But we're not ending here. We are going a step further. In another bowl, I add in about 3 tablespoons of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir it together and then mix the chicken wings inside the sauce. And this took the taste to another level. Yum, yum. And here we have our delicious chicken wings recipe. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all. Remain blessed. Bye bye.